वाह, अति उत्तम। वो सुंदर सुंदर। To be successful and happy, we need knowledge, good health with hard work. But surprisingly, 96% of wealth is with 1% of people. Is it a coincidence or an accident or luck? Why so? Truly speaking, somehow or the other they have been using consciously invisible laws of the universe. ब्रह्मांड के नियम को वो जो है फॉलो कर रहे थे। Everybody is born unique on this earth. आप साधारण व्यक्ति नहीं हैं, आप खास हैं, अलग हैं। ब्रह्मांड में सबको जो है अपनी शक्तियों के साथ में ओत-प्रोत कर रखा है। What is this invisible laws of universe which they have been practicing and experiencing and having successful and happy? First exercise, start from home, loving and accepting people as such, no fault finding, criticizing, first law of the universe. When you do this, you accept, you can say God has created this universe and it will start vibrations in you and others, positivity will start. The first principle in life is that no one can replace anybody. Everybody is unique, amazing. Second principle to use in your attitude, practice gratitude. What is this practicing attitude of gratitude? Because whatever the words which we speak, they are in the form of vibrations, goes to universal truth and comes back in us. So when you get up in the morning, first thing, after opening your eyes, close your eyes for a few seconds and then open and just see around. Wow, सुंदर विशाल अद्भुत सृष्टि में भगवान ने अनेक अद्भुत जो है उपहार दिए हैं। मैं उसके लिए बहुत आभारी हूँ। Then while drinking water, say thank you God, you have provided me water. When you walk on your floor, thank God that I am moving on a platform. Thank you God, I am breathing. Whole day start this attitude of gratitude. Again, second principle of universe, you are filling yourself with positivity. And this positivity means that more energy, better concentration is there. And say affirmation, I have positive energy and have total confidence in all situations while working. This will develop positive self-confidence. So this law of attraction is not only just attraction, it is a law of creation, law of positivity, law of vibration. Bring this law of positive possibilities in your life and you will see that you are getting a different life evaluation. अपनी लाइफ अपने आप जो है रूपांतर होती जाएगी. Yes, information, knowledge is required, but without practice will not help. So let us be practice, you can say kriya, or daily you can say in our life, morning 3 to 5 minutes practice, which have been designed in such a manner that this will give to your whole body a new rejuvenation. Wow! Let us start with Tadasana. Tadasana means while extending yourself upward with inhaling, just inhale full and be straight. Then getting down, exhale 3 times minimum, but at home you can do 5 times or 10 times also. Second is loosening. Loosening means 639 muscles which work for us in all movements as I am speaking or having hands or my fingers. This is loosening. The loose in such a manner झूम जाओ, head to toe जो है all muscles should get vibrated and get open. Yes, loosening. क्या बात है, अति उत्तम. Now we come to humming. 6 times humming. After every activity, give a gap of few seconds called as neutral gear. You restore energy. After humming, just become still and observer of your body, whatever feelings are there. This is a method where you are connected to your source, being, which charge you. It is like, you can say, plugging yourself in the socket which has a energy. Tune in and you will start getting energy. Now we have 2 exercises boost your energy. Going high with your hands 10 times. While inhaling, go up. Exhaling, come down. Yes, like this. Again, start this. Do that. Yes. Second is long breathing. Yes. Come to neutral gear. Now back movements, left and right. This is for your back to get strengthened. This is 5 times you can do. Come to spine corrections. First thing from your chin to up and head to down. Can have 3 times. Then left and right. Just give a force, but you bring yourself to be straight. Back and front. This will make your spine as well as back strengthen, as well as more mobility, means a fluid which is in the spine that will reach to central nervous system. Give a pause or neutral gear. Now we will practice LTT, EFT and BMW. Start love tapping therapy from the back. Come to the front. In such a manner you feel little awakening of your points. Take your glasses and front. प्यार की थपड़ी, लव टैपिंग थेरेपी। EFT is emotional freedom technique proven for stress relieving. Come to, along with humming, start from on the eyeball, just pressing them eyeballs and 2 times humming. Come to forehead, 2 times humming. Three points to be pressed in the on the eye around. First thing is pointed eye on the nose side, both the nostril. Press them as humming. Second point on the eye side, on the corner. Then middle of the eye. Below the nose. On your chin. Come to pineal gland, जहाँ तिलक लगाते हैं. Pituitary up. आंखें नहीं खोलनी है, लेट गो, स्ट्रेट हो जाएं, स्पाइन, नेक एंड हेड स्ट्रेट एंड बिकम वन विद यू. फील इन द बॉडी, अनवाइंडिंग, लूजनिंग, एक्सपांशन. सब कुछ ढीला हो रहा है, खुल रहा है, खिलखिला रहा है, और आप क्या हो गए? वननेस, होलनेस, फुलनेस, कंप्लीट इन हार्मोनी, सिम्फोनी, सिंक्रोनाइजेशन. Now this is a stage which you are open for cosmic energy. अपने आप को विजुअलाइज करें, चित्रण बनाएं तो ऊपर से कॉस्मिक एनर्जी, वाइट और ब्लू लाइट जो है आपके अंदर स्कल में आ रही है. पूरी बॉडी में सफाई करते हुए नई एनर्जी भरती जा रही है, भरती जा रही है, भरती जा रही है, हेड टू टो. और जो मैल है वो पैरों से निकलता जा रहा है और ऊपर से नई एनर्जी आती जा रही है. अपने आप को अंदर से देखें. एज यू हैव बिकम यंग, फुल ऑफ एनर्जी, स्ट्रेंथ, पावर, कंप्लीट रिन्यूएशन इज देयर. नयापन को देखें. जैसे जो है सुबह होती है, जब सन राइज होता है, ऐसा सोचें कि सब कुछ अंदर जो है नया हो गया है. एंड नाउ कम विद सम वर्ड्स. बिंदा वो सब कुछ नया हो गया है, टनाटन. थैंक यू ऑल.